Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, guys, this is a container that I'm growing. This is yam that I'm growing indoors. The thing about growing yam indoors, yam prefer dry soil, drain soil. So they don't want you to be soaking them with water. They just want to be damp, not soaking wet. I'm going to show you something. You see over here, this is yam we have already start pushing root. Very soon, we're going to start seeing sprout like these. Over here again is the same thing. Very soon, but as you see, all I do, I'm just damping it, not soaking it down. And you want to also make sure that the temperature in the room is got to be room temperature. It cannot go down to 30 degrees and these type of stuff, because yam is a tropical plant. So if you notice, you're going to see how my soil, the soil is pretty dry. You see, guys, very dry. And as you see, I'm using clay soil. This is what I'm using. This is just some people to understand that clay soil is very rich. It's a rich soil. We just got to maintain it and know how to work it to get it to change into a more softer texture from allowing them to clang up like this. But anyhow, let's get back to the yam. So this is the update on the yam that I put in this container. As you see, you can see where it start pushing out. It's getting ready to push leaf. Now we in January. Now I got to keep this yam going indoors before I take it out in the spring. I got to wait till the last frost in the spring before I take it out. So now I got to maintain this. I got to keep this alive. You see what I'm saying? So what I'm saying is, you want to wet them, but you don't want to damp them. You don't want to damp it too much. Okay? You don't want to damp it because yam do not like that much. That's big soaking water around them. They just want the root to get damp. So not too much water. Right here is another yam I have that will be also sprouting pretty fast. This is the next one here. So right now, as soon as these sprout, I'm going to remove them. But this one stays in this container until the spring. So now I got to make sure I keep adding soil and maintain it. I do believe this container is too small, so I'm going to take it outdoors and put it in ground in the spring. So guys, this is an update. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video motivates someone. I'm actually doing this in zone 8. All right, so growing yam indoors, keeping them alive, that we can take them out in the spring. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace.